It's your boy Gamer Boy. It's your kid Gamer Boy here. So this is my new fidget spinner. And I'm gonna see how long it spins.
My arms are out of hiding. Gold Bond Ultimate Lotion, Ultimate Skin.
Right. Yep. As you can see, this is a Pokemon fidget spinner. I got this from the mall. It's spinning for a really long time. Yep, this is a really cool fidget spinner. This is a really cool fidget spinner.
It's fine that other people like you is more important than you like yourself.
Yep, this is spinning for a minute. Yep, it spins for a minute.
Coming to my door as someone who's housebound assures me that I'm not forgotten.
Alright.
That I'm okay. My
So,
name is Asha.
once it stops,
America. Let's do lunch.
I don't know when it's gonna stop, but hold up.
Deodorant with motion sense technology so that
I think it's about to stop.
power, footwork, range. The more I move, the more it works. Degree, it won't let you down.
So it's about to stop. It's about to stop. All right, and I'm about to make it spin again. Ready, set, go.
Hey, curly-haired man. Hey, you're going to want to sit down for this. Because you can get a large two-topping Pizza Hut pizza for $7.99 delivered. And with the new Pizza Hut delivery tracker, we'll text you when your order's on the way. The best pizza delivery deal. Now easier to track.
I think it's about to stop. Stopped it. So one more time. Alright. It's spinning for a really long time. Yep, this is me. Ma. Once it stops, I'll end the video.
What are you talking about? I was born to be a mother. I'm gonna pull a flour sack out of my bottom.
Morning, everyone.
Wow, Don Draper's kind of fat this season.
Oh, you look sharp, mister. Jury's gonna find you guilty of handsome in the first degree. Oof.
I'm contesting a parking ticket, Lynn. There isn't a jury.
You got a suit that won't acquit. Wait a second, there's no stains on that. It's not your suit.
My suit didn't fit anymore, so I borrowed.
Okay, YouTube. Make sure to leave that like button and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned to Gamer Boy here. And what's good? And peace.